Right, let's get on with this and make some lovely donuts. I'm frying these donuts as I think nothing tastes better than a fried donut. If you're going to eat calories, let's do it properly. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for everybody that's been looking at us regularly. Today I'm going to do jam donuts because it's National Donut Day. Not really, but I like donuts and it's my wife's favourite anyway. So I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade donut, exactly how it should be done, and please watch, follow along, and I'll show you what we do later. Bye. The first thing I do is mix all the dry ingredients together in the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add 600 grams of strong bread flour. Also, I'm adding a couple of spices to make them taste just a little bit different. I'm adding half a teaspoon of mixed spice and cinnamon, and of course some salt. Now with that I'm putting in 14 grams of dried yeast. Give this a mix to combine it together, and then add your wet ingredients. I've also melted the wet ingredients together, that's the butter and the vegetable shortening, ready for the mix. That's 35 grams of each. Once this has mixed together, take off the paddle and replace it with the dough hook and mix for about 10 minutes until it forms a dough ball. Once this is formed, take it from the bowl and place it onto a floured surface and bring it together until it's not too sticky. Now, what you can see here is an oiled bowl. Place your dough into the bowl, cover with cling film and let it rise at room temperature for about 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. While that's proving, I'm going to make some jam in the Thermomix TM6. All you do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Add frozen fruit, lemon juice, sugar and vanilla extract, and then cook it. If you don't have a Thermomix, get a saucepan, add some frozen fruit, sugar, lemon juice and vanilla extract, bring it to the boil and simmer gently until it becomes sticky, and then you have your jam. Here you can see a lovely sticky jam. Now, flour your work surface, take your dough mixture and form it until you can roll it with a floured rolling pin without it sticking. Roll this out to about 20mm thick. Now get a chef's ring or something similar, the size is up to you. Dip the ring into some flour and then cut out the shapes. Place these on baking paper. It helps if you lift them up with a scraper or something similar. Once you've cut them out, set them aside for a second proof for 30 minutes. Here comes the fun part, almost ready to eat. Fry them gently at 150 degrees for 90 seconds, turning them in between. Once cooked, place them on some kitchen paper to dry. Now roll them in caster sugar, fill a piping bag with some jam, and when all these are done, make a hole in the end of each one and fill them with jammy goodness. All done. Finished. Homemade donuts. Hello, welcome back. Well, look at these lovely calorie-free donuts. Not really, not calorie-free, but they are lovely. As I said on the last video, I can't eat because I'm trying to lose a bit of weight. But what I will do is I'll break one in half just to show you, and you can see all that lovely, yummy jam in there. So next door neighbours are going to get these. Me and Jack are abstaining. I hope you enjoyed the watching of this video, and I'll see you again soon for another one. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for your filming, Jack. See you soon. Bye.